Hello, everyone. My name is Natalia, Solution Manager for Smart City Industry. It's an honor today to introduce you the latest presentation for Smart City. So the whole content will be divided into 5 parts, including trends for Smart City industry, top-level designing concept, the vision of Dahua for Smart City, solution introduction, and case sharing. So I'm not go to details each slide and just highlight the most important speech lines for each slide. So everyone knows that the epidemic crisis has accelerated the digital governance construction and also the public services capabilities enablement in the new era. Take an example, during the epidemic period, many government has realized that their digital services capability is not enough, and the people were not satisfied, and they demanded for better public services quality. So here are some main challenges that the government facing now. The first one is the cross-department communication is not efficient enough, and then the departments are unwilling to share data and also afraid to share it. And also, many governments are facing the challenge that there are lack of intelligent awareness around the city. And also, the last one is the convenience and the intelligence of government helping line cannot be satisfied. So with the deepening technological revolution and the industrial transformation, the digital transformation of the industry has entered a deep water zone, and the scale of the industry is growing rapidly. The emergence of large-scale models will greatly enhance the supply capability of artificial intelligence, better respond to the challenges faced by the industry's digital upgrading, and also bring in new development opportunity. So, aligned with these new opportunities and the new evolution trends, Dahua also released its own Xinhan Foundation model in 2023, which will focus on the visual technology, integrating multimodal capabilities to build industry-specific models that focus on efficient urban governance and enterprise digital upgrading. So here you can see the architecture of the Xinhan Foundation model. So the bottom layer is the capability of the intelligent computing. And the second layer is the artificial intelligent algorithm development platform. And then we have also the foundation model and the algorithm refining model, the tuning of the algorithms. And then we have the different kind of scenario-based applications. And here are the specific functions and also applications of the foundation model of Dahua. So let's move to the second part, top-level designing concept. This part is mainly the theory part, and it's also an example. If the customer asks how we can conduct the whole smart city from the beginning, here just to highlight the project schedule from the initiating to the defined construction phases and to the financial evolution. And also when the whole project is completed, we can also help the customer to build a whole operation and the evaluation system. And this is our methodology of the top-level designing concept. So from the demand analysis to the top-level designing, architecture designing, and also the implementation designing. So here we just highlight the capability of Dahua for this kind of project that our experience, including we have been conducted in top-level designing projects in in over 17 countries, more than 900 cities. And also we are not only providing the products and the solutions, we can also providing the consulting, technical support, and the operation company services for the customer. So here are the pivotal conditions of the smart city project. Because the smart city project are often large scale project, and they requires a lot of leadership and experience. So here, for example, we need to have one committee to lead all the overall project, one big data platform, one business structure, one unified technology structure, and one unified operation model. So these are the approach of a concept from Dahua side, such as we take in data as the starting point, IoT perception as a cornerstone, intelligent loading, and also our purpose to construct the smart city projects are promoting business and benefiting the people. And our experience, the advantage of our team that we can also provide the tailor-made policies and the tailor-made solution for each city according to their development stage and their needs. And now we are entering the third part, which is the vision of smart city. So here, these two slides shows the vision of Dahua for smart city, which is helping to provide a smarter public services and a better living for the citizens. So for the public administration, we can help the customer to build two kinds of solutions. One is for the public services procedures that will be conducted on site. So for public administration, we can help the customer to build two kinds of solutions. One is for the public services procedures. One is for the public services procedures that will be conducted on site. And the other one is to help build a fully online procedure platform that the citizens can carry on all the procedures by PC or by mobile apps. So this is the architecture of the smart city solution. We call it 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n plus 2. So from the bottom layer to the top layer, we have the IoT and sensory network, which shows the capability of our hardware part that we have not only cameras and also other IoT devices, sensors, and also the emergency emergency alarm and drones and also other equipment. And the second layer is the digital intelligent base. Here, that means we can help the customers to build a basic digital intelligent capability center, which will include full connection center, big data center, intelligent computer center, and the city operation index center. And we can also help the customer to build the one map command and the one map command and dispatch capability. And also the general business enabler center, which including data center, profile center, alarming and alarming center, intelligent search center, dispatch center. So with all these kind of platforms and capabilities, the customer will have like a city operation brain, and then based on this city operation brain, the customer will have the capability to build different kind of applications for different departments, such as for public safety department, we can help to offer applications and solutions for city safety, for key location monitoring, and for traffic safety department, we can help the customers to build solutions such as road safety, traffic data monitoring, and incident detection, and so on. So this is an overview solution for public safety. This is the solution mainly targeted for the customers like MOI and police officers. Mainly showing the our algorithm capabilities for all the urban government, such as mobile vendors exposing garbage, non-authorized road occupation, And also for the fire emergency events, for fire emergency related events such as flame detection, electric bike enters the elevator, fire space occupied, illegal parking, and also the detection capability for the public security management, such as the cross-tested analyze, crowd detection, area invasion. And the last one is for the environment protection, such as floating object detection, and for the industry supervision. And then we also have a specific algorithm for environment protection events and also for the industry supervision. And here shows the advantages of our AI developing capability. For example, Dahua was ranked number one in the behavior recognition video competition in 2019. And also, like we mentioned before, we also have our own algorithm developing and algorithm training platform that we can offer to the customers and the partners, like a whole closed loop. We can also offer to the customers and the partners our capability for the algorithm training part. And here is the overview solution for the mobility part. So the first part is the transportation safety, which means our onboard surveillance, which means our onboard surveillance solutions, and parking and charging solution. Here we can offer such as parking guidance and the parking guidance system, the parking solution, and also the charging systems for the electric vehicles. So such as the low emission areas that the European customers are asking for. And also the HOV lines and area restrictions, such as the low emission zone, and also on-street parking and off-street parking. And this is the overview of the traffic safety solution. So this part we can offer, for example, urban traffic event detection capabilities, such as all these kind of traffic events can be detected by our system, such as stop the vehicles in the tunnel, runway driving, pedestrians in the highways, and automatic accident detection, and also the fire incident in the tunnel. Only the basic detection and the monitoring capabilities. In the future, we can also help the customers to. So in the future, if the customer wants, we can also help them to build like the traffic big data platform, and also CVIS and autonomous driving. So the traffic big data means we can. And this is the overviews of the environment protection solution. So here we can offer solutions such as waste management, from waste sorting, from the trash bin overload and transport, and the waste transport, and also the recycling. And also for the environment factors monitoring, we can offer solutions such as air quality detection, water quality detection, forest fire protection, and also the land protection. And also for the biodiversity, we can do like animal identification and also illegal fishing detection. This is the overview solution of administrative services. This is the overview solution of administrative services. This is the overview of the administrative services solution, which means smart government services hall. Here we can offer such as the AI intelligent government services hall. Here we can offer solutions such as online procedures and the self-services procedure and also on-site procedure. Citizens, that means the citizens can carry on all the needed procedures from the mobile app or from the internet platform, from all the online platform. And for the self-services procedure, those applications such as ID card renewal, temporary ID cards, or no criminal record certificate, and also self-services applications for residence permit. So here we can offer the all-in-one hardware. And for the on-site procedure, that means when the citizen comes to the city town hall. So for the online procedure, that means when the citizen comes to the government service hall, so the government services. So for the on-site procedure, that means when the citizen comes to the government. So for the on-site procedure means when the citizen comes to the city administration. For the on-site procedure, that means when the citizen comes to a city town services office, what kind of solution we can provide to the customer, such as we can offer the self-service number taking system, and we can also offer the fraud identification, window services, process supervision, improper behavior, and the absence of anomaly detection, and also the passenger flow, and also the people flow statistics analysis, and also the people and the crowd, and also the crowd, and also the crowd, and also the crowd density of the service hall. We can offer such as the self-services number taking system, and also for the intelligent government service hall, we can also offer solutions such as for security analysis of the parameters, and also security inspection for the entrance and exits, and passenger and people flow statistics analysis. And also we can offer some innovative supervision and regulation services such as window service process supervision, improper behaviors of the workers, and also the information guidance system. And this is the overview of the industry economy index, because for many city mayors and governors, the economy index is very important. So this is the four-factor monitoring and also early warning of economic operations, such as state-owned assets, the major pillar industry and the enterprise. And here we can so here is our capability of integration of all the different kind of data, and providing the multidimensional data for the customers to do better decision making. For example, we can integrate the data of economic operation index, such as economic trends, GDP dashboard, gross output, taxes, and also the industry map, such as industrial layout, the economic identity, population migration. And we can also personalize the industry index dashboard, such as we can show the numbers of the enterprise and the numbers of the such as so we can show the number of the enterprise and the industry output value and also the tax revenue, and also we can provide and also we can using the data and help the customer to build the industrial park big data, such as so we call it, and we can using all the for further using of the data, so we can also help the government customers to build an industrial park profile, which will show the profile of each corporate and the credit evaluation of each company, each enterprise, and also the business operation abnormal changes, and also the SIP productions, and also the status of safe production to prevent any further to prevent any further incidents, to prevent incidents. And this is the overview of the solution for education, healthcare, and others. Here just to mention our capabilities for this, for education, for healthcare, for cultural tourism, and for community. Because for many government customers, this is also their main focus. So this is our city operation center solution. The first one comes is like an overview of the city operation brain. So because we know each manufacturer, each company, they has their own vision and their own concept and their own promoting and their own branding concept for smart city, such as the IOC of Huawei, the ET brand of Alibaba, and from Dahua side, we also promoting our own concept, which is a city operation brain. That includes one set of digital platform and 5 business centers. We will I'm going to and 5 business centers and also the command and control capability and also the command and control platform. So let's take a look. Let's take a look of all these different platforms. Let's take a look of all these different kind of capability centers. The first one is business. The first one is business empowerment. The first one is business enablement. The first one is the business enablement center. That means we can provide the universal services capability base for all the governmental departments, no matter it's for the safety department, for traffic department, for environment protection department, or for the taxes department. Those are the basic capabilities those are the basic digital intelligence capabilities that can be used by the customers. And based on these basic capabilities, they can develop their own applications capability. Here we have, for example, data center, profile center, intelligence search center, arming and alarming center, duty and dispatch center, and the services center. And then we have the city operation index center, which means we can offer the real-time monitoring of the city status and running the real-time diagnosis for the city governors. Here means that we have the capability to integrate and gather all the data from all the departments of the city of the state. And using such as digital twin technology and other technology, and using such as digital twin technology and also other intelligent technology and also other advanced data related technology, we can offer a dashboard and we can offer a unified dashboard and a unified platform to show to the city governors all the real-time status of the city. So this is an example of a city. So this is an example that we developed for for a city in Middle East. So here you can see this is a platform this is a platform based on the digital twin technology. So here is the three-dimensional space. Here is the three-dimensional. So here is the three-dimensional representation of the physical city. And here you can see we have some data and some figures of the city, such as the GDP figures, population, the industrial operation index, and also all the IoT and also all the IoT devices that has been integrated to the platform, and also the statistics of the alarmings. So for the CCTV and for the monitoring equipment, if we click, for example, if we click one camera, we will get a real-time view of the camera. And another advantage of this kind of platform, so one of the advantage of this kind of platform is that the city governors can have a more. So one of the advantage of this kind of platform that is the city governors can have a more comprehensive view and a more vivid view of the city. And then when some emergency happens, we can also quickly locate where is the emergency and send the team to do the rescue operate and send the related team to do the rescue and send the related team to handle the emergency, such as showing here, such as showing in here. So this is how the platform deal with the emergency. It can show the location. It can show the real-time location and the real-time status. Here we can see the real-time surveillance of the emergency, and also it can show all the rescue teams, such as police officers, firefighters, hospitals, and other units, and hospitals, and also other rescue resources. And then the platform can also provide the converged communication capability that allows different kind of team to communicate and discuss with each other. So this is only an example. And here are all the detailed specific indicators. And then we also have a full connection center, which means we can help customers building a fully connected platform to connect all the sensors, devices, and locations. Our solutions of big data. So our capability is that we can build a computing resources pool to provide data storage, governance, analysis, and mining capabilities for the people, vehicles, location, and the events at the large-scale data level. Here we just highlight to the customer that, for example, we have the mature algorithms. We have more than 1,600 kind of mature algorithms. For example, for the people, for the attributes, for example, for the human attributes, or for the human characteristics, or for example, for the characteristics that are related to human body, we have more than 256 parameters, such as the color of the clothing, which kind of purse the people is carrying, which color of his or her shoes. And for the vehicles, we also have a lot of algorithms, such as to detect the colors of the vehicle, the type, and also the brand. And for the event also, and also for the motorbike. And we also can provide our own, we can also provide the training platform for the customers if they want to do their own development of deep learning. And this shows the And this is the one map command and control. So this is the capability we can help the customer to build that using one unified platform, the customer can have a full awareness of the potential risks of the city and display all the resources on the three-dimensional or on two-dimensional and the three and on two and on the 3D on 2D or 3D map. So here we have the advantages of this kind of platform. For example, for the daily time, we can have the intelligent early warning of all the, we can have the intelligent. So for the daily time, once the customer, once we have done construction for the platform for the customer, they will have the early warning, intelligent early warning capability, such as natural disasters or accidents related to production safety or fire emergency. And when some emergency happens, we can offer the one unified command and dispatch capability for the customer. This is an example of the And for this part, we are also promoting the digital twin technology because, like we said before, like we mentioned before, like we mentioned before, like we mentioned before, this will help the customer to have a more vivid and also more dimensional knowledge of the emergency. So like we mentioned before, this kind of technology will help the customer to have a more vivid and more dimensional, with this will help the customer to have a more vivid and more dimensional perception. This is a video shows the advantage comparing digital twin and to the traditional video surveillance management platform using Dahua's own technology, which is called Luban. So I'm not going to details this video. So here I'm not going to details because I believe everyone knows it very well. A detailed introduction of the digital twin technology. So Dahua digital twin means we combine digital twin technology with the intelligent IoT technology. And this is an example of our own digital twin platform, which is called Luban. So here shows the advantages, features of this kind of a solution. That first one, we can connect everything in one platform, achieving unified access, processing standards and services for multi-source of IoT data and devices. And then we can comparing with the traditional display model that is more fragmented and also less efficient that is more fragmented and less efficient. So using the 3D video fusion technology, we can achieve a three-dimensional and we can achieve a more perspective management experience. So here we're not going to details because I think everyone knows very well about this capability. And this is the so here is the success case part, success case sharing part. This is the footprint of the Dahua Smart City. Here we just shows the customers that we have in the past years. We have done a lot of projects in all the continent, such as America, Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Europe. So these are Here I listed three most important. Here I only listed three important success case. I believe we have more in the overseas. I believe we have more in. I believe we have more in other countries. So here I just listed the three cases that represent the high-level solution of Dahua's smart city capability. One is the new case that everyone is already know it. This is the control room of the new city that we have to build for the customer. And they are also using our management platform. Here we have done the control room designing, tailor-made dashboard, AR/PR, and face recognition for the customer, traffic control, and many things. So this is another city. This is another smart city project that's more related to the city safety part. And this is a state that belongs to Mexico. This is a Mexican state. Here are the two promotion videos that we can show to the customers, and these are the values of our system. These are the values of our solutions. So after the implementation of our customer, we have helped of our solution. We helped to after the implementation of our platform, so we successfully helped to achieve. We successfully helped the customer to achieve this kind of to help the customer. We successfully achieved this kind. We successfully. So we successfully made this achievement, such as we have to increase the security index of the state. So this is the comparison from 2015, before our platform was implemented, and this is the ranking of the peace. So this is the comparison of the peace rank of the security ranking of the state before and after our system was implemented. And this is the latest news, and the latest news shows that this state now is ranking like the second most safety state in the Mexico country. And those are the figures show that we help the customer to, for example, to increase the prosecuting rate, increase the criminal and decrease the criminal rates. And this is another IOC. This is the one IOC project that we did in China, Chengdu. And this is the platform that we have to. This is the platform that we help to build for the customer. Okay, so thank you for your time, and for many doubts or many issues, you can contact with me. So thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. If you have any issues, if you have any doubts, any issues, you can contact with me. Thank you very much.